So what up guys, back here with Droid Tech, back again with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to be doing my very first gaming test video footage on this channel, because I've never done gaming videos before, because I'm not really a good gamer overall. I'm a casual gamer, I should say. But anyways, you requested and I'm going to deliver it. So right here I have the TCL Plex, and you guys wanted to know whether the TCL Plex was respectable at gaming. I think I've been playing a couple of games on this device. Frame rate wise, you're not going to expect 40, 50 or 60 frames per second, because it's a mid-tier chipset. This runs on the Snapdragon 675 processor, and you know the processor is pretty old because it came out I think last year if I'm not mistaken. And this is also backed with 6 GB of RAM, so you're not going to be expecting flagship level quality gaming right here. But however, in terms of heating issues, there's no heating issues with this device. Temperature wise, it's about the same. It doesn't burn your hand, doesn't get really uncomfortable when you game for extended periods of time. But overall, I think for a budget phone, if you're not using crazy high settings, this is a very respectable gaming device. So before I begin the gaming test footage, if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and also ding that notification bell so you can get notified on the latest content which I post. So without further ado, let's get right into the gaming review test of the TCL Plex. Alright guys, so we are back, and you can see I'm on the latest version of PUBG Mobile. So this is the one that's not under 10 cents anymore. As you know what happened, it's on the news. Alright, so let's open the app right here. So I've already opened the game. Alright, so let's play a quick match. But before that, let me show you the settings. Let me show you my graphics. Alright, so let me give you a close-up look at the graphics which I'm using. So I'm on HD, high, colorful setting, shadows off. Basically, this is default settings that the game thinks I can run. But however, we'll see how the frame rate is. So overall, this phone is pretty good, I should say. No overheating issues. But there is some frame rate drop, which means it's throttling. I'm not sure, but I don't feel any heat coming out from the back. It's usually, even if there's some heat, it'll be around the camera area. So far it has been alright. Not really, you know, the need to take a break or something like that, but it's overall very good. Just slightly warm. So let's see how it goes. This is a quick match, so it won't take long. Let's see, where some frame drops already. But let's see when we go into the game. Alright, so let's quickly jump off. Let's see whether I'm going to the right place. I guess maybe not. I can see the gameplay is not too smooth, but you don't really expect much from a mid-tier processor, especially with pretty high settings in fact. So I think with the current setting is pretty respectable already. So hopefully I don't die. I can hear people inside. Oh no. Oh, this is melee. Alright. This someone. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Already bad at melees. Oh crap. I see someone chasing me already. Let me round around. Seriously? Are you gonna keep chasing me? But you can see the gameplay is not too bad. Of course not the best, but it works. I just continue running around, because I definitely wouldn't win this match if I fight him, because I do not have any weapons except my fist. So let's take a look around. You can see this guy swinging at me. You can see it's not really 30 frames per second. It's around 25 frames, 23 to 25 frames. But considering that I'm using high settings, it's actually not too bad already. This guy is not giving up, man. Seriously, bro. Wherever you are. So I'm probably going to drop down the settings. Let's see. I'm going to drop down to balance. Let's see how the frame rate goes. Alright guys, so we are entering another match, the second match. So I've been playing the game for around 15 to 20 minutes. Of course I cut it short in the video because I don't think you want to see me dying and dying over and over again. because I really suck at this game already. Anyways, this is on balance setting. You can see the frame rate actually improved now. It's around 30 frames per second, I guess. Let's turn on the shadows and see how it goes. So graphics, let's go to shadows and turn them on, because I think shadows are a pretty nice feature. Alright, let's start jumping down already. Nope. We'll fly over to this corner. Alright, so the frame rate is pretty respectable at a balance setting. So the graphics overall is okay. If you're coming from a high-end phone like the iPhone or something like that, you're definitely not going to be impressed. But overall, I think it's very respectable. Alright, there's some enemies up there. I don't think I'll be able to go up from here though. We'll see how it goes. Oh, am I? I'm actually able to. Alright. Good thing. Let's see where the shots are coming from. Are you enemies? Actually, they've done much better with the texture this time around. If they can find a good gun. Ah, there you go. Not too bad. I'll take that. Where are these people? Oh, I can see them. Let's get them. Yeah, headshot. Are you serious? I'm just getting pistol in all weapons match. No way, man. No way, bro. Oh, I shot him a few times, but I died. Okay, you can see me dying another time. But anyway, I think overall, the graphics is respectable. Not the best. Of course, you're not going to be getting like flagship level graphics, but I think for 500 to 600 ringgit phone, I think it's considered really good. You can see this guy is already inviting me, but maybe not, because I'm going to be ending this video right here. So the new version of PUBG with balanced settings and high frame rate, overall good in my opinion, very playable. This has been a very quick gaming review. So the phone is not really heating up. Let me remove the case. Let's see how the phone is faring. Alright, so it's actually not that hot. If you compare with an iPhone, I think it's roughly around an iPhone temperature, so it's not crazy hot, but it's not the coolest like maybe the ROG phone or something. Those are really pure gaming phone, but this phone is a all-purpose phone, so I think the temperature is pretty respectable as well. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. Hope you guys like it. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel. So do leave your comments below. I would love to hear your feedback on my very first gaming video. I mean, I'm not the best at games, and I'm not the best at gaming videos especially, because you know, you saw me dying so many times. But anyways, if your budget is around the $500 to $600 range, forget the Redmi 9, forget the other phones, just go for the TCL Plex, because I think in 2020, TCL Plex is really a value for money device. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.